Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see the composite and iterated Turing machine. The name itself suggests that the composite Turing machine is the composition of n Turing machines. So we give the input to one Turing machine and output of first Turing machine is given as input to another and so on. And after applying the various inputs and getting outputs from these cascaded Turing machines, we get the output. So that is composite Turing machine. And iterated means the same input is feedback or feedback loop is there. The output of the Turing machine is given as input to same Turing machine, and the input is iterated here. So two or more machines can be combined to solve a complex problem such that output of one Turing machine forms the input to Turing machine, next Turing machine, and so on. This is called composition. So the composite Turing machine, or we can say in short it is a CTM, that is composite Turing machine. The functional matrices of the component Turing machines are combined by relabeling the symbol as required and suitably branching to an appropriate state rather than the halt state and the completion of performance of each component TM. So we can see in the figure the composition of n Turing machine. Another way of having the combination of Turing machine is by applying its own output as input repetitively. This is called as iteration or recursion, and Turing machine is said to be an iterative Turing machine or ITM. This is shown in the diagram. The idea of composite Turing machine gives rise to the concept of breaking a complicated job into a number of smaller jobs, implementing each separately. That means we can say it is somewhat divide and conquer strategy. So all the complex tasks, or if we have given a complex job, that complex the job has to be divided into smaller jobs, and each individual Turing machine will solve that problem individually, and we get the output. Therefore, we can divide the problem into simple jobs and design different Turing machine for each job. Functionally, most of the Turing machines that we have implemented earlier in the chapter that we have discussed, for example, multiplication as repetitive addition, division as repetitive subtraction, and so on, are the examples of Turing machine. So this is about the composite and iterated Turing machines. Thanks for listening.